Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment, update Firefox, and open a clean profile so extensions don't hide the issue. Once done, open About, Performance to see real-time tab/resource use, and About, Support for basic diagnostics. Make sure hardware acceleration is set how you normally use the browser. Changing it alters results. Also keep a stopwatch or recorder ready so you can note when the drop happens. That timestamp makes later profiling precise. You now reproduce the issue while running the built-in profiler. Open Web Developer right arrow Performance and start a recording before the drop. Once the slowdown occurs, stop recording and inspect FPS, main thread activity, and heavy scripts. At the same time, check About, Performance for tab energy and CPU spikes. If results are noisy, disable extensions, or use safe mode and repeat so you can separate site issues from add-ons or background tasks. You finish by analyzing the recording. Look for long frames, heavy JS functions, or layout thrashing and note module names and timestamps. Then apply fixes stepwise. Clear cache, update drivers, toggle hardware acceleration, disable problematic extensions, and retest. If nothing changes, export the profiler/HAR and create a fresh profile or refresh Firefox to remove corrupt settings. Troubleshooting tip: if results differ in safe mode, an extension is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.